Hello, this is Sebastian from Localo, and in this material I will show you how to increase the chances that a client will sign a local positioning contract with you using one of the features of Localo. It's very simple. You go to the Research tab, then click Create Grid and enter the name of the company of your potential client who contacted you and inquired about the offer. Let's assume that this is the company for me. Now you enter the keyword for which you want to check how visible this company is online and click See Position. And at this moment, listen very carefully because this is very important. With this feature, you can make the potential client aware that they may have serious problems, meaning they might be invisible online, that their competition is much more visible, that it has surpassed them. And additionally, you can show and send this to them. Look, I performed an analysis for this keyword and it turns out that I am in position 63 and my company's visibility is only 1%. I have 77 competitors and I can see how each of the competitors is visible in this specific area. And now what you need to do, or rather what your sales department in your company needs to do, is to take and do one of the things. The first is to take a screenshot. Add this to the offer you are preparing for your client. Of course, you can replace the Localo logo with your company's logo here, which I mentioned in another material. Then if you add a screenshot, you can click here in the same way. This button will give you a ready link that you can send to your client, which will no longer have the Localo logo, where your client will be able to simply check for themselves and see if their company's visibility is indeed not what they would expect. Another thing you should do with this feature in Localo is to take screenshots of some of his biggest competitors and send them to him in the offer so he can see that his competition, his biggest competitors, are simply better than him. This way, he will be more likely to definitely want to take advantage of your company's offer and more likely to decide to go for it. What is really great about this feature is that if you send him this link, he will be able to check for himself how visible his competition is, which will make him truly feel the need to improve his business profile on Google. He will realize that he wants to work on it and will most likely contact your company because he will want to see how his business visibility grows in these areas, something that no other agency will provide him. So, starting from that, you already have the client captured and this client is practically yours. It's really a powerful tool if your sales department can use it really well, and I am convinced that with this guide it will be just that. That's all from my side. See you in the next materials. Thanks, goodbye.